لله والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. أما بعد. Respected teachers, scholars, and my dear friends, I have great pleasure and privilege to with you because I will get a great chance to deliver some words about a selected topic, influence of Prophet Muhammad on Islamic religion. The profound influence of Prophet Muhammad on Islamic religion is impact on development of Islamic art, science, literature, and culture is immeasurable. In art, Muhammad teaching inspired a unique style that blended spirituality and aesthetics. Islamic calligraphy, architecture, and geometric pattern reflected the beauty and harmony of his message. In science, Muhammad encouraged observation, experimentation, critical thinking. Muslim scholars made groundbreaking discoveries in mathematics, astronomy, medicine, physics, laying the foundation for the scientific revolution. In literature, Muhammad words and actions inspired a rich tradition of poetry. The Quran's lyrical language have influence of writers and poets. In culture, Muhammad embraces a combination of equality shaped on Islamic values. In conclusion, Muhammad Islamic civilization is a testament to the power of his message, the boundless potential of the human spirit. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.